Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am using this kit from Close to My Heart. It's called Cut Above Layout Kit, called Blue Skies. So I'm going to show you the front cover here, and it kind of gives you a glimpse of the two double page layouts that you can create, and all the materials in here that you need except for your adhesive, and then any other little personal touches that you want to add. You don't have to, those are always optional. I'm just giving you a close-up, and then I'm going to show you the product here real quick. And so here are two cut apart strips, some base papers to mat your photographs if they fit, a full set of sticker sheets, and another full set of these cut aparts. Isn't that awesome? And then you have these two sheets of paper that are like watercolor. Oh, it's just beautiful. And then you're going to have this yellow one. All right, I'm going to start off with the rainbow one, and I have just a couple photographs here from Disney when I'll go in the story here in a minute. First, let me go off onto the layout. So I'm going to use the watercolor paper that is recommended to use the rainbow, and then I'm going to take out this rainbow piece. And even in the instructions, it's very simple and very little instructions. And it just said to take this rainbow and place it about 1 inch down from the top. That's it. That's all the instructions. The other part, you just look at the visual picture, and it's really that easy. All right, so I went ahead and backed my photographs, and as you can tell in the original picture, I had to alter it. And that's what I love about these kits as well, and I hope that you love me providing these videos to show you that if you don't have the exact photographs, but you want to use this collection with your photographs because it'll match perfect, the sayings, the colors, the whole theme and vibe, then go for it. You can change the alteration of your photographs. It will still work. So, as you can tell, if you were to go back and freeze the screen, instead of my one picture being vertically, it's horizontal. And then my other one that's smaller is pretty much to what it said, like a 3x3. And this cut apart, I am pop dotting it up. And then I'll add the flowers where it recommends, but then the stars I'm going to add to the right, and I do that at the very end. I think I add just one star and one heart to the right, but I do follow the instructions and add the flower right there in that arrangement, and the heart's called to be floating up on that rainbow, but I didn't want that to happen. I placed my clouds exactly where it's recommended. All right, these photographs are of my little guy and my granddaughter, and they went to Disney right after Christmas time, and I was supposed to join them, but I came down with a horrible upper respiratory infection, ear infection, and strep throat. And it made me really upset because we were, as a family, supposed to go to Florida all together, and I made my husband and my little guy go. I said, I'll be fine. And I came down with this the year before, but right before winter time. But this time I came down with it Christmas Eve night, and it came on that quick. And I was sick for a week. So anyway, my whole point is that because I didn't go, and I'm the one that normally takes all the photographs, they took very few photographs. I think probably maybe 10, and they weren't that good. But you know what? I still need to scrap the memory for my little guy, and I'll put in the journaling. And they are at Magic Kingdom. One of their excuses is the park's so packed anymore. It's not like, because we all originally lived in Florida. I lived there for like 28 years. And so going to Disney was something that we did quite a bit the first probably 15 years that I lived there. And then after that, the park just did get ridiculously packed. But of course, if you live out of state, it is definitely worth to take your children to the park. All right, so I am working on the page that's to the right. And again, my photographs are a little bit larger than what it's recommending, and I couldn't trim it off because I wanted to make sure I got the the tree of life in the one photograph, so it's a little bit larger on the right, and then the one on the left is a little bit larger, but they are going the same direction as recommended on the sketch. I placed the flower where it belongs, the cloud, all three clouds where they belong. The fourth cloud I tucked under that photograph of my little guy to the left. And then instead of putting stars here, I put the hearts. I take them away. I put the sun where it recommends, and then there's a spot for journaling. And then I'll have close-ups at the very end. All right, enjoy your weekend. Scrapbooking for National Scrapbooking Month. There's going to be a lot of videos out just over the weekend. Have fun. All right, we'll see you next time. Give a thumbs up and keep coming back. Bye.